So we found this awesome waterfall on the side of the road. We're following the trail. Might go for a swim. Look at Mama climbing in the jungle.
Wow, adventure.
It's an adventure. Ooh, we made it.
Yeah.
Wow. We found a jungle stream. There's the wild woman. Wow, my jungle love. Mama's looking for guava. Daddy and Anya. Look, we made it under the bridge. Wow.
Yeah.
Unnamed waterfall on the side of the road. Super awesome swimming hole. Look, we're right under the bridge. Yeah. That's just cool. That tunnel's so cool too.